Hey Fragrance Buddies, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a super simple solid perfume that's a great alternative to regular perfume because it doesn't dry out the skin and is easily transportable. Alright, before we get started, make sure that you have a heat-safe container that can go in the microwave. We're going to be using our beeswax to make it solid and the jojoba oil to moisturize the skin. We're going to add a tablespoon of each to our container. So now we're going to go ahead and melt our beeswax. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave and I'll be right back. Alright, so it took us about 3 minutes to melt down our beeswax, and now we're going to go ahead and add our Bella fragrance. Okay, so since we're putting this fragrance on our skin, we want to make sure that we're using a safe amount. I double checked with IFRA, who sets our safety guidelines, and made sure that we were using a safe amount today. Alright, and now we're going to mix it up. Alright, so now that we have that all mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add it to our cute containers. These are easily transportable and super cute as well. Okay, so we're going to let these cool with the lids off, and then when they're solidified, they'll be ready to go. Alright, so we have our perfumes. They are completely solidified now. To use, they're super easy. You just place your finger in it, rub it to warm it up a little bit, and then place it wherever you usually place your regular perfume. These little solid perfumes were super easy to make and smell fantastic. If you want to see more projects like this, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.